Hello students, I welcome you all in this new video. In previous video, we have seen the indefinite articles, its uses, when to use it, and now in this video, we are going to focus on article uses of the indefinite article the. In fact, the is the weaker form of the word that. We use this article in our day-to-day conversation, but I am going to give you some tips, some of the rules that we ignore it and we do some mistakes in our daily conversation. So first of all, there are two types of pronunciations about the article the, which are that two pronunciation of the in front of consonant sounds, we will pronounce it as the. In phonetics, I have written these two words. For more clarification, we will see some examples. The side, the table, the chair, all these are consonant. So in front of consonant, we will pronounce it as the. Whereas in front of vowel sound, we will pronounce it as the. This long E in phonetics. For example, the apple, the engine, the ice cream, the other one, the umbrella, all these are underlined. These are the vowels. So in front of a vowel sound, in this situation, we will pronounce it as the. So the first use of article the is, it is used with superlatives. The best student, the most important thing, the tallest person. We come across many such examples like the cleverest boy, the smallest animal, and like this. The second rule, with things which are only one in our word. This is a common rule. The sun, the moon, the earth, the equator. Remind my introduction, and we will pronounce it the and the. So the earth, the equator. Rule number third, when we talk about a particular man, the boy in the corner is my friend. I am talking about the particular boy, not any other boy. So it is particular, so specific. So the boy in the corner is my friend. The book on the table is mine. That only book which is put on that table. So it is a particular book, so we will use the book, the article here. Shut the door. The door of the room where we are sitting. So shut the door. And last, he was brought before the principal of the institution in which he was studying. That principal. So the principal. Our next point is talking about a class. The French and the Italian teams are staying in this hotel. So the French and the Italian team, so it is a class. It is a class of the sports person. The French and the Italian team, a class. So we will use the article. The rich should help the poor. The rich is a class, that is the wealthy persons, and the poor. It also represents the whole poor people in our world. So it is a class. So we use the poor. When talking about a noun, for the first time we use a, but when we talk about it, again use the. There is a pond in the park. There is a pond in the park. The pond is full of fish. So first time I use a, and when we talk about the same pond, same thing, next time I will use the pond. Second example, he told me a story. The story was very interesting. First a story, and then I am talking about the same story, then it becomes particular, and then I have to use the. Third, number 6, certain proper nouns. Before certain proper nouns we have to use the, but here we have to keep in mind that there is a we should use it carefully. Why? Rivers mountains, oceans, books. Before this, we will use the. For example, the Ganga, the Alps, the Himalaya, the Bible, but not individual peaks or lakes. For example, Mount Everest. We will not use article the here. Our next point is we'll use the before important buildings. For example, the Taj Mahal, the Ajanta Caves, the Eiffel Tower, the Red Fort. So this is quite a common rule, and many of us know that before important buildings we use this article. Rule number 8: giving special emphasis. This is the way to solve the problem. This is the way, not other way. I am talking about this particular method. So I will use the and it becomes special. This is the way to solve the problem. Here is the book that I spoke about. Here is the book about which I was talking. So I will use the. Next one, in place of possessive pronouns. He hit me on the head. Here the head means my head. Instead of saying he hit me on my head, I will say he hit me on the head. So instead of possessive pronoun, I will use the. So friends, these were some important rules about articles. I will be back with new lesson and new video. Till then, stay home, stay safe.